back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing to you my fall beauty haul with a couple of things from Sephora. We will get into that, so if you'd like to see the things that I recently purchased, please keep watching. Okay, so I believe in my last anti-haul, I spoke about the fact that I was no longer shopping at Sephora, and I told you guys that I would though be shopping at Sephora when they are having sales, because there are certain items that I can only really get at Sephora with free shipping. I don't really like to buy things online if I'm not getting free shipping. That's just me. So while I am not in full support of Sephora, I don't despise them. I don't hate them. It's just if I can shop somewhere else, I will choose to. But if Sephora is having a good sale, I will be shopping with them. So I picked up a few things from Sephora, and I will let you know which items those are. But otherwise, these things came from Nordstrom. I think that's it. So let's get started. I'm going to jump right in. This is not going to be a huge haul. Before we get into this haul, I want to mention, if you guys are interested in saving anywhere from 4 to 8% when shopping through Sephora, through Neiman Marcus, through Ulta, through Nordstrom, anywhere for beauty or anything else, please use Rakuten. I'm going to leave my link down below. Full disclosure, if you sign up through my link, I believe you get either a $5 credit or a $10 gift card after you make your first purchase of $25 or more. But you guys, Rakuten, which is formerly Ebates, is everything. I think I started using Rakuten when it was Ebates maybe 4 or 5 years ago, maybe even more, and I've gotten over like $1,500 of cash back. It might even be $2,000. It might even be $2,000, but I've gotten so much money cash back. What it is you go to Rakuten.com, you put the name of the website in, you click a link, it will then take you to the website, and you just check out as normally. It doesn't cost you anything, but you do get a percentage back. So I think when I placed the order on Sephora, I got 4% back. So I think I got like $5 to $10 back, which is great. A lot of times it's equal to tax if it's a little higher. So yeah, shop through Rakuten. I promise you will not be disappointed. It is legit and it is amazing. So my link will be down below. You guys know that a couple years ago I stopped consuming a ton of beauty just because I don't have enough space and I don't want to be a collector of makeup. I like makeup, but I don't want to just hoard it. So I pretty much just picked up staples. So you will have seen a lot of these products. So the first thing I got comes in this container. Oh, also, please excuse my attire. I just got back from working out and I'm gonna have a very long week this week, and so I don't know when I was gonna be able to film this otherwise. So I hope you guys don't mind. I feel like every time I do my fall beauty haul that includes Sephora items, it's always at the end of the day when I have one like workout gear or regular clothes. So that is why your girl looks like this. But this is the first thing I got. Not sure what this is. I have not opened. I have not opened anything. No, this is my Belif set. So this is called the Aqua Surfs Up Belif set. This is from Sephora. Here's a better look at it. This includes the Aqua Bomb moisturizer, which is my favorite moisturizer for the fall and winter time. I will leave my fall and winter skincare routine down below. This is the best moisturizer I have found that is affordable, that is great for normal to dehydrated skin in the winter time, but oily skin overall. It's a lightweight moisturizer. The reason why I picked this set was because it was the same price, and it also included an Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser and an Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. So those will be good for travel and trying out. So you guys know the Aqua Bomb moisturizer, that is my favorite. I am happy to have another full size because I was running out. Okay, so I'm gonna continue on with the things that were purchased at Sephora. I have a few things in here for my mother. So the next thing I got is the Lancôme Bifacil Eye Makeup Remover, and this is the large value size. This is for my mom. She likes this one. I'll show you guys the one that I use. She likes what she likes. I'm not necessarily trying to convince her to like the one that I use. I think it's better that she gets the value sizes because my mom does not shop very often, so it's better for her to have a large size that has to be repurchased less. Okay, the next thing she got is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, and this is something that I turned my mom onto. As you guys know, I am a proponent for sunscreen 24/7. I don't care if you have a ton of melanin or just a tiny bit. I don't care if it is winter or it's summer. Everyone needs a sunscreen 24/7, even inside under the lights. You need a sunscreen. It's so very important, especially if you are more mature, because a lot of women wait until they're 40 and 50 to start using skincare, and usually if you don't have amazing genes, it's probably too late. So I got her to start using the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, which is really nice. It's an SPF 40 PA+++, which means it is sweat and water resistant for 40 minutes. But the great thing about this, which is why I think she loves it, is it's clear, it's not oily, it's amazing, it's super lightweight, and this is one that you can just use every single day and it doesn't feel like you have a sunscreen on. So I'm super excited that she actually asked for this. It kind of made me like pat myself on the back because I'm trying to get everyone I love into using sunscreen 24/7. It's so important, you guys. Okay, the last thing she got is this YSL Touché Clot All-in-One Glow. This is the foundation. It has an SPF of 23 and her shade is B60 Amber. I want to see what this looks like because I've never used it. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's just in a plastic squeeze tube, and this is a glow dewy, fresh dewy coverage, natural medium, long-lasting hydration, oil-free. So this is the foundation that she likes. So yeah, mom had to get restocked on all her faves as well. Okay, so the first thing I got is another Beauty Blender cleanser. Does it seem a little bigger? No. This is the Beauty Blender cleanser. It is my favorite for cleaning my beauty blender. I really like it mainly because it has a case and it's really super effective. I believe you could use a regular bar of soap, but like when I'm traveling and things, this is just so much easier. It's super expensive for what it is. It's about $15, but I really only repurchase it about every 6 months, so I really don't mind too much. And along with that, I got a new beauty blender. I get the Beauty Blender Pro, the black one. I have used it, but I get the black one just because I find that the texture is the best, it holds up the best, and it doesn't look completely disgusting when it's dirty. And now they are giving them to you in a hard plastic case, which is great because you can use it to store it on your vanity or wherever you keep your sponge. So I'm happy I got that. The next thing I had to restock was my ABH Dip Brow, and I take the color Dark Brown. This is what it looks like. It's just a gel pomade for your eyebrows. I don't have my eyebrows done today, but you guys know if you see me in any video with my eyebrows done, I'm using my ABH Dip Brow. I love it. I will never use another product. It's perfect for me because I don't have a lot of eyebrow. I'm not a really hairy person besides, you know, I have hair on my head, but like I don't have like thick, full, natural eyebrows. So this product works best for me because I can get the desired shape and thickness and I don't have to keep going over it with a pencil. That's why I really like it. Okay, I had to restock some foundations because you guys know we're in a new season now and I'm no longer using my summer shades. The first thing that I got is the Lancôme Teint Idôle Ultra Makeup, and this is the stick. This is in shade 450 Neutral. Now, this is how you know I like a product, because I was actually gifted this foundation stick by influencer maybe a year ago, and I loved it so much that I ended up buying it. So I love when that happens. Like, I love receiving products from companies to try out and review for you guys, but you know that I really love it if you see me purchasing it after the fact. And I will always be completely honest with you guys. I love this so much, I bought it. I have this on today. I just wanted something a little natural so I didn't look crazy filming this video. I wear this when I'm just going out running errands and I want to look a little perfected. I wear this if I'm going on vacation and I just want something before I go to the beach or something, if it's sunny. When I want a light coverage foundation foundation that is easy to apply, I use this. This is perfect for traveling because you don't have to apply it. I mean, you can apply it with a brush, but you really don't have to. Sometimes if I'm on the go, I'll just use my finger and it works perfectly. So I'm happy to have a backup of that. Now I can put that in my vanity. Okay, the other foundation I picked up is the Nars All Day Luminous in the shade Tahoe. This is my favorite foundation of all time. I'm so happy to have a backup. This is what it looks like. I will have a routine using this product in December, but this is my favorite foundation for the fall and winter. I like it overall, but in the summertime, I like something a little more matte. But now that I'm wearing this again, I don't like the way my previous summer foundation looks, so I might have to find a summer shade in this. But for right now, that is perfect. I'm setting it right in my vanity. That foundation is my favorite. It has amazing coverage. That's what I like most about it. Okay, the next item that I picked up is this Nars Studio 54 gift set. This is what it looks like. It comes with a little pouch, a key, not a keychain, but it has like a charm on it. Really cute for the holidays, and 3 colors. The colors in here are American Woman, Funky Town, and Fly Robin Fly. And I'm not sure what shade they are, but it is a mauve, a nude, and a red. And this is going to be really, really cute and chic for the holidays. I also picked up another one of the eye makeup removers that I love. So I use the Clinique Take the Day Off, mainly because it's a little cheaper than the Lancôme. So if you were to get the Lancôme eye makeup remover in the 4-ounce variety, I believe it's about, is it $30? I want to say it's $30. Well, this is $19 for 4.2 ounces. It works the same. It works really, really well. It's expensive, but it's not as expensive as other higher end eye makeup removers are. I was using the Equate eye makeup remover for a little while, but it was taking a lot longer to get off my mascara. So I just went back to this. The good thing is that I don't have to use this every day because I don't wear mascara every day. So it does tend to last a little longer. I also picked up my favorite lotion ever, the Kiehl's Creme de Corp. I love this so much, you guys. The first time I ever tried it, my mother had it. She gets the large bottle, and I want to say she was in town visiting, and I was in a hotel room with her, and I tried it and I fell in love. And she actually gave me that bottle, and I kept it in my car for the longest time, and then it ran out, so I had to get another one to keep in my car. You guys, this is the best lotion ever. It's really expensive for a lotion, but it works so well. It's super hydrating, especially for the winter time. Doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. It absorbs in so well. I just love this. Not something that I would repurchase to use every day, but to keep in my car, yes. I think this little size was like $10 or $11, but I don't know about you guys, but in the fall and winter time, when I get in the car, it's like automatically my lotion disappears. So as soon as I get to where I'm going, I have to put cream on my hands because I just feel like for a woman, ashy hands are like not attractive. So I like to keep, you know, lotion on my hands, but this is amazing. Oh, can't say enough about it. If you need something great to travel with or to just have in a small container, or even if you want to buy the big girl container, this is just perfect. If you try it, I promise you won't be disappointed. You will only be disappointed if you start loving it and have to spend upwards of like $50 on a lotion. So I'm gonna warn you, it can get expensive. Okay, and the last thing I purchased is the MAC lipstick in Mocha. Now you guys know I don't really support MAC I don't support MAC fully. There are some items that I do like from MAC that I will repurchase, but I'm not out here just looking for new makeup and going straight to MAC. But I do have some items that I like and I will repurchase. This is one of them. So recently on my channel, I think the video went up yesterday or today when I'm filming this, I did a favorite nude lipstick series. And I included this lipstick. This is MAC Mocha in it. It's like a, terracotta nude color. Super, super, super pretty. And I realized when I was applying it that it was starting to smell old. So with MAC lipsticks especially, they smell like vanilla. Yeah, they smell like vanilla when they're new. So when they get old and they don't smell like vanilla and they start smelling stale, that's how you can tell that they're old. So I'm gonna link that favorite nude lipstick video down below because you will get to see what this product looks like. Okay, now I want to get into the samples that I got. The first one is Juliet Has a Gun, and the scent is Not a Perfume. Super excited to try this. Let's see, I'm gonna put this on. It smells like Balenciaga B. It's very fresh and it smells like herbs. It doesn't smell like a perfume. I guess that's why they called it Not a Perfume. It smells like tea. It's kind of nice. The next thing I got is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Peptide Cream. I am gonna try this. I don't use any of my Drunk Elephant products. I need to start using them. The next thing I got is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. I love Kiehl's products, so that will be very nice. I also got this Sicily Neck Cream. I don't really need a neck cream, but maybe I'll give it to someone. I got a Replica Coffee Break fragrance. I'll spray that on my other hand. I really like Replica fragrances. It's just the one that I love doesn't last on me. Ooh, this is called Coffee Break. Ooh, oh, that's so interesting. It smells like a sexy man. Very cologne-y, but then it smells like coffee beans. It's not something that you would think that I would gravitate towards. I'm gonna actually tell one of my friends about this one. I know she said she and her husband share fragrance, and I think they would like this. So this is called Coffee Break. It is a female and male fragrance, and the fragrance description is creamy and cozy coffee. It's nice. I do like that. I also got another Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. These are the samples from Nordstrom. They have to be. And the last one I got is a sample of La Mer Cream, which I have about 10 of these that I need to start using. I'm probably afraid to use them because I don't want to love it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my fall beauty haul. I will probably bring you guys another one in January because I usually get some sort of beauty gift card for the holidays, and I will probably be getting some more things. But these are all things that I just wanted to restock on. Let me know if you guys shopped the Sephora sale or if you intend to. I believe the sale is still going on. I will place the code down below, and I think it runs until the 11th. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.